if you have watched my last video, you know why I'm laughing or why I'm so happy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, can you see the material?
Wait a minute.
So you're probably wondering which video I'm talking about. Well, the last video has been joined to this video because of space, right? I had to delete some clips and I'm just going to do a voiceover over the ones that I have left. So what did I do in the last video? I did Flattwist for the first time with extensions. Clap for me. Yeah, and I actually tried my best, right? So how did I do it? I started by flat twisting my hair, and then in between the flat twist, halfway done, I impute the extension, just like you can see, and then I continue to flat twist. Simple, right? But then I noticed at the end of the day, because I used this color of extension and not the color of my hair, it was so, I could see some parts where I didn't impute well, so it was showing, right? So I learned from that. And yeah, basically, in between the flat twist, just impute your extension and continue to braid. Continue to flat twist, right? That's what I did. So I'm going to allow you to watch and enjoy a little bit more till I come back, basically. Today I decided to do braids with this attachment, extension, whatever you call it. And guys, can you see, even though it's still very natural as much as possible, because I'm not, I didn't have so much attachments. I just added like three strands of this, right, while I'm making it. So I'm just going to show you how to do it, but at least now I know that if I want to add 20 strands in one bikini, I can do it, right? So it's just the attaching that was kind of confusing, but right now I got it. I'm so happy. Okay, so let's do it. I'm back, guys. So I think the best way to learn how to attach extension is actually by learning from this, right? So you see where my fingers were joined together. In between my fingers, I attached the extension, right? As you can see, right? So there was a strand of hair in between, and then there was another one on top and another one, because there are three, right? So now I have attached to 2 strands and one is left without extension. I hope I'm not confusing you, right? So if I was doing like big braids or something, I would have continued to attach, right? So that the third one too will get to a place where I can impute it in my fingers and then continue to braid. Okay, don't worry, you understand when we get to the braiding part. But yeah, that's what I did for this one, twisting. So basically, I started by braiding. So I did like 2 or 3 braids, and then I got to a point where my fingers were together, and then I impute the extension. I attached the extension, and I continued there. So now for this one, I started by braiding as well. Yeah, I braided for a while, actually when I got to the middle, because like I said, this is an experiment. So then in between my fingers again, like you can see, I attached the extension right into it. So like I said, there are 3 strands, right, where my hair is divided into, because I'm braiding, not flat twisting this time around. So after doing that, I continue to braid again for like 2 times, and then you get to the point where the 3rd strand does not have extension. So I impute it again, and then I continued braiding, and then when I got to the end, I attached extension again, just for length, basically. So please just try to watch, maybe without my voice, if that will make it better or easier. And then I'm sure you'll explain, because I was turning and turning for you guys, like my neck is paining me. I turn so that you people can see the different angles, right? So let me know if you have any questions in the comment, if this is clear enough, and let me know what you think about the final result. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.